Change the way you cook pork ribs. Peel the membrane off the pork ribs. Season with coarse salt ground in a mortar. Tie the ribs to the lid. Steam for 10 minutes. Cut the ribs into pieces. Put flour in a bowl. Coat the ribs in flour. Cut the butter. Melt in the pan. Add the pork ribs. Fry for 4 minutes on both sides. Peel 2 onions. Slice into thin half rings and sauté in the same pan. Add sliced mushrooms. Season with salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, oregano. Add the pork ribs. Add dried thyme. Pour in beer. Braise covered for 20 minutes. Put red potatoes in a bowl. Wash in water. Cut into pieces. Put into the pot with water. Add salt. Boil for 25 minutes. Put the potatoes in a bowl. Remove the bacon from the packaging. Cut the bacon into small pieces. Fry in the pan with vegetable oil. Peel a red onion. Finely slice and sauté with the bacon. Mix vinegar with vegetable stock. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, brown sugar, mustard. Pour the sauce into the pan. Put the mixture over the potatoes. Add chopped parsley. Pour tomato sauce into the pan. Sprinkle with chopped green onion. Braise for another 20 minutes. The meat comes off the bones easily and is infused with flavors. It pairs perfectly with the potato and bacon salad.